All right, my friends. So today I'm not going to be with you, but I do want to keep moving forward. So we've got people in a few different places. First of all, if you haven't taken your Unit 3 test, your Level 3, I shouldn't say Unit 3, your Level 3 test for Stoichiometry, and you're ready today, our guest teacher today, Mr. Devenu, has those tests and is willing to go with you on it. If you're one of the people that I've identified, I want you to take that retake of that Level 3 test. I'm giving you a thumbs up on that. There's 2 or 3 of you. Mr. Devenu also has ones that have for a retake. So they're a different version of the same test. I want you to get those knocked out today. I'll get them graded tonight and back to you. Everybody else, if you've taken the Level 3 and either you haven't heard back from me yet and you feel good about it, or if you've taken Level 3 and you have heard back, maybe you've also completed the lab, what's next for you is to start looking into Level 4 material, which is limiting reactants. There will be a lecture on the website labeled Limiting Reactants. You can take a look at that and start working through that. On the board, in those green packets on the board, there's the next assignment for you, which is called Sticky Stoichiometry. Sorry, that's not true. It's not called that at all. It's called The Sky's the Limit. My apologies. The Sky's the Limit should be the last one down. If you've taken your Level 3 assessment, but you haven't done the lab, then that's what you're working on today. You're working on the pre-lab for that. If you get that pre-lab done, you can start working on the limiting reactant video. So again, let me write some stuff down here. So first and foremost, we're going to do the Level 3 assessment. If you haven't gotten to that point yet, get that started today. If you're not quite ready, you're running out of time. Get after that thing. All right. If you've gotten the Level 3 assessment done, and then the other possibility is maybe you need to quickly retake that assessment. So maybe you know something didn't go well in the first one, you just need to redo an assessment. The next thing to do then is to work on the pre-lab. Now you can't do that lab while I'm not there, so you'll be, if you get that thing pre-lab and ready to go, you'll be doing that on Friday. That won't take the whole period. The next thing to do after you get that pre-lab done, and this pre-lab, the lab itself is on the whiteboard in the green packets. Once you get that done, you're going to then look at you're going to watch the limiting reactant. Limiting reactant video on the web page, on my web page for our school. So go to nkschools.org, go to staff sites, Josh Haza. You'll see a link there that says limiting reactants. Use that one. All right, and then once you've done taking notes on that video, so you're going to watch the video, take notes on it. You're going to then do the worksheet that's on the board again in the green packets. It's called Sky's the Limit, I believe. You're going to work on that, and that'll get you through today easily. Now, if you're not ready yet for the Level 3 assessment, you're like, hey, Mr. Haas, I need a little more work on stoichiometry. What I've put together for you as well, so if you're up here, is a stoichiometry video. So if you're like, I just need some help on how to figure out how to do this stuff, you're going to look on my website. So again, Kingston High School. Staff sites, Josh Haza, right there. You'll see something that says stoichiometry video. It's a link to it. And then you're going to watch that. You're going to work on some of those stoichiometry worksheets. There's 2 of them on the whiteboard if you need them. The first 2, sticky stoichiometry. And the next one is, well, whatever it is down from that. I forget what it's called right now. But those top 2 are stoichiometry worksheets. And you need to get yourself ready for that Level 3 assessment at the latest on Wednesday. So if you're not there today, it's Wednesday. You're all taking it. And we got to move on from that. I'm going to start working towards that Level 4 stuff. So make sure you're getting after that Level 3 assessment either today or at the latest tomorrow. And you're using that stoichiometry video to help yourself today if you need it. All right, that should cover everyone. So either you're watching the stoichiometry video, you're taking the assessment, you're doing the pre-lab for the lab you're going to do on Friday, or you're working on the limiting reactant video and working on that worksheet. I know it's a lot of crazy different things going on all at once, but keep yourself moving. Get with people. Now, I'm going to ask you to do something a little I normally wouldn't do. I want you to form groups with people who are doing like things. So if you're taking the assessment today, find 3 other people to get with in a group that's doing the same thing. If you're not ready for the level 3 assessment, you're watching a stoichiometry video, get with people who are doing that. Reorganize yourself right now according to where you're going to be today. And those 2 groups that I formed yesterday, the 2 groups in the lab yesterday, you guys are together in those groups of 4 to the end of this unit. Everybody else needs to get with people who are where you are right now so you guys can help each other move forward. All right, take about a few minutes to get that done and then get busy on some stuff. You're more than welcome to use the iPads. Just make sure they get returned at the end of the day. All right, best of luck to you guys. See how it goes. Bye-bye.